Elmo just wanted to say that Elmo loves you.
It's like, I don't know what to make of that. Elmo?
Elmo just wanted to say.
I think if we take him out of the box, he says more.
No, no. No.
And the laptop is still a hot item.
Well, I closed it up and it's sitting under the table over here.
And the remote. Alex, can you make Elmo talk? Make Elmo talk.
He thinks he pushes his eyes. He has to push his stomach.
Touch his tummy.
Here. Here. Somewhere here.
Or his foot, too.
He got your finger. He has your finger.
Thank you. Thank you. You're Elmo's best friend. Thank you. Hi. Elmo's so happy to see you.
Don't put the chair on his feet, silly.
Elmo loves you too.
It's all gone. It's all gone. Gotta hold. That's an interesting way to ride it. Gotta hold on. And it'll crash into the table. Yeah.
Thank
Got
you.
that there.
Good job.
There you go. Hooray for Alex.
Looks like you had an amputated leg. Horsey.
Giddy up, horsey. Say giddy up. Giddy up.
Yeah.
Where's the lion? Does Daddy have a lion?
No, Daddy's still working on the lion.
I don't know. I just went there and got it and she gave me that.
Look at your lion, Alex. Yee, lion.
Oh, look at... Oh, look at your face. He shuts his eyes.
He roars like a lion. Elmo.
He's really cute. He's purring. Oh.
Lion.
What's the lion say? What's the lion say?
Big boy.
Pick him up.
Help Elmo up.
Watching your cookies.
Timer didn't go.
What you said.
9 minutes. Show me. Let me show you? Okay, look. No? What are you doing?
What's that? Tiger. Tiger. Tiger.
That's right. Tiger.
Did it?
Did.
What's he gonna eat for dinner?
I don't know what's everybody else gonna eat for dinner. I'm gonna have a roast beef sandwich. What are you gonna have, Sammy?
That's so much money.
And with gold, silver, and platinum at their highest value in decades, that means more money in your pocket. And because we own our refinery, we can cut out the